Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Raj and my metric number is 10DKM20F1119. Today my group selected 5.3 question, that is apply scalar product of two vectors, and the first question is the definition of scalar product. And the definition of scalar product is a scalar function of two vectors equal to the product of their magnitudes and the cosine of the angle between them. And the second question is the properties of scalar product. So now we're going to see the properties of the scalar products. There is 7 properties of scalar products. The first properties of scalar product is vector A dot vector B is a scalar, and the second properties of scalar product is vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B cos theta, or vector B dot vector A equals to magnitude of vector B magnitude of vector A cos theta. So what we can say from this is scalar product is commutative, and the third properties of scalar product is if theta equals to 0 degrees, vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B. If the theta is 180 degrees, vector A dot vector B equals to minus magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. And one more is if theta equals to 90 degrees, vector A vector B equals to 0. Thus, if two vectors perpendicular or orthogonal, then vector A dot vector B is 0. The fourth properties of scalar product is vector A dot vector B equals to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B cos theta. Therefore, cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. So what we can know from this is angle theta can be calculated. So the fifth properties of scalar product is I dot I equals j dot dot equals k dot k equals to 1. But if I dot j equals j dot k equals k dot I is 0. Okay, the sixth properties of scalar product is vector A dot vector B equals to magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B cos theta. Therefore, projection of vector B on vector A is equals to vector A vector B divided by magnitude of vector A. And the last properties of scalar product is if vector A equals to a1i a plus a2j plus a3k and vector B equals to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then vector A vector B equals to a1i plus a2j plus a2k in bracket b1i plus b2j plus b2k in bracket. So after this, the next way is we have to just multiply it, like a1i times b1i, a2j times b2j, a2k times b2k, and that's all from me. And the next question will be present by Tivan. Thank you.
My name is Steven and my metric number is 10DKM20F1101. Topic we chosen is apply scalar products of two vectors. And the question I choose is calculate the scalar products. Firstly, the question given you 7i minus 2j minus 2k. V equals to negative 3i, negative 3j, negative 3k, wi minus j. So find u dot v. The dot refers as multiple products. So u dot v, we write the numbers as u, this one u, and this is v. So we multiple 7i times by negative 3 here, and negative 2 times by negative 3 here, and negative 2 times by negative 3, it's written here, and the multiples must plus together and you will get this answer. There's one more formula. We can use matrix form. We write here 7 and negative 2 negative 3, because here negative 5 7i, negative 2j, negative 2k. So we write here 7 negative 2 negative 2. So we put dot because it's multiple, and we write the v's numbers negative 3 negative 3 negative 3. So when multiple, as usual, we got this answer, these numbers, and we additional it, and we got this answer. That's all. Thank you. That's all from me.
Good afternoon. My name is Keshu Kumar, son of Siva Kumar, and my matrix number is 10 DKM 20F1061, and I'm here to explain about the vector products, how to find the angle between two vectors. So we should begin. So as you can see here, this is an example of to find the angles between two vectors. So what is the angle between two vectors? First of all, we need to find the modulus of A and B. So to find the modulus of A, we should square the numbers in vector A and square it and power it, and we get 3. For the same thing, we should do for modulus B. So we will get 38 of power root of 38. So, and the second, we should find A dot B, which is, we should plus times both of these answers and plus together. So the answer is 2. 2. So by using the given formula, which is cos theta equal to A dot B over modulus A modulus B. So substitute the values that we get. For example, A dot B we got 2, so 2 over 3 times power root of 38. So the answer is, so we will get cos theta equal to 0.108. So we should, for finding the theta, we should inverse the cos and times with the decimal with the answer, which is 0.108. So cos negative 1 times by 0.108, we will get the answer for the theta, which is 83.79. So this is how we find the angle between two vectors. Thank you very much.